Hello decor enthusiast and welcome back to Decor My Little Globe. Have you ever walked into a home filled with vintage treasures, floral patterns and warm memories and instantly felt comforted? A place that felt like a hug from the past, where every item has a story and every corner feels inviting. If that sounds like your kind of home, then you're going to love today's video. Today we're exploring the beautiful world of Grandmacore Decor and discovering why this charming vintage-inspired style is becoming one of the biggest home decorating trends. From antique finds and thrifted treasures to cozy textiles and timeless styling ideas, I'll be sharing simple tips that can help you bring this warm and nostalgic look into your own home. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's step into the cozy world of Grandmacore together. Before we start this video, I'd love to hear from you. Do you love decorating with vintage and antique pieces? What is your favorite Grandmacore decorating idea? And don't forget to tell me which country you are watching from. I read every precious comment and truly enjoy learning about decorating styles from around the world. Have you ever dreamed of owning a cozy little bookshop filled with warm lights, vintage furniture, and endless stories? Today, let's take a closer look at the beautiful Cute Bee Bookshop Memories miniature house. From the moment you open its elegant wooden doors, you are welcomed into a charming miniature bookstore that feels like a scene of classic novel. The warm golden lighting creates a magical atmosphere, making every tiny detail come alive. Look closely and you will discover miniature bookshelf filled with books, a comfortable reading chair, a small coffee table, and a decorative vintage accent. Every page is carefully crafted to recreate the feeling of a peaceful bookshop where time seems to slow down. The intricate wooden design, arched window, and cozy reading corner gives this miniature house a timeless charm. Whether displayed on a bookshelf, desk, or in a reading nook, it instantly adds warmth and character to any space. One of the biggest reasons Grandmacore is becoming so popular is that people are looking for homes that feel comfortable and personal rather than perfectly styled. For years, modern design focused on clean lines, neutral colors, and minimal decoration. While that look can be beautiful, many people now want spaces that feel lived in, meaningful, and full of character. Grandmacore embraces exactly that. Instead of hiding family heirlooms, vintage finds, and sentimental objects, this style celebrates them. Every room tells a story, making the home feel unique and inviting. A great way to start creating a Grandmacore-inspired home is by incorporating vintage accessories. You don't need expensive antiques or rare collectibles. Simple items like vintage books, ceramic pictures, old picture frames, embroidered linens, and decorative teacups can instantly add charm. These pieces create visual interest while bringing a sense of history into your home. Thrift stores, flea markets, and antique shops are wonderful places to discover affordable treasures that fit the Grandmacore aesthetic. Another hallmark of Grandmacore decor is the use of soft, comforting fabrics. Floral curtains, crocheted blankets, lace tablecloths, and embroidered cushions help create a cozy atmosphere. These layers add texture and warmth, making room feel welcoming and relaxed. Unlike modern spaces that often focus on simplicity, Grandmacore embraces softness and comfort, mixing different fabrics and patterns create a collected over time appearance that feels authentic and charming. Color also plays an important role in this decorating style. Grandmacore interiors often feature warm and gentle shades inspired by traditional homes and gardens. Soft cream, sage green, dusty rose, pale blue, and warm beige create a peaceful environment that feels both elegant and comfortable. These colors work beautifully with wooden furniture, vintage accessories, and floral patterns, helping every element feel connected and harmonious. Fresh flowers and natural elements are another easy way to achieve the grandmacore look. A simple bucket of garden roses, wildflowers, or hydrangeas displayed in a vintage vase can instantly brighten a room. Natural materials such as wood, wicker, rattan, and oven basket add warmth and texture while helping the home feel connected to nature. These small details contribute to the relaxed and timeless beauty that Grandmacore is known for. One of the most important lessons of Grandmacore decorating is that your home doesn't need to be perfect. In fact, a slightly imperfect and collected look often feels more authentic. Rather than purchasing everything new, consider mixing family heirlooms, thrifted treasures, and meaningful objects with your existing decor. This creates a space that reflects your personality and tells your own story. Grandmacore encourages decorating with heart instead of simply following trends. Another reason this style continues to grow in popularity is its focus on slow living. Grandmacore reminds us to enjoy simple pleasures like reading a favorite book, sipping tea by a sunny window, arranging fresh flowers, or spending time with loved ones. The decor supports a lifestyle centered around comfort, relaxation, and meaningful moments. In today's busy world, many people find this slower and more intentional approach refreshing and inspiring. The beauty of Grandmacore is that anyone can start, regardless of budget or home size. A vintage teacup, a floral pillow, a thrifted lamp, or a basket of fresh flowers can be enough to begin creating the look. Small changes often have the biggest impact when they are chosen thoughtfully and displayed with care. Before we finish today's video, I'd love to hear from you. What do you love most about Grandmacore Decor? Do you enjoy decorating with vintage treasures, antique furniture, floral patterns, or cozy heirloom pieces? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to tell me which country you are watching from. It's always wonderful to see our cozy home decor community growing around the world. I read every precious comment and truly appreciate each one. Your ideas, decorating experience, and personal stories inspire not only me but also other viewers who love creating warm and welcoming homes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more vintage cottage and grandmacore decorating inspiration. And turn on notifications so you never miss a new cozy home decor video. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Until next time, stay inspired, decorate with heart, and create a home that tells your unique story.